Hi, welcome to West Coast Kia. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 Kia Forte EX Luxury. The EX Luxury is an upper trim level. Car comes with a sunroof, alloy wheels, fog lights, signal repeaters in the mirror, and a few other options that we're going to talk about. That big green sticker in the upper right hand corner of the window says the car is certified under the Kia Canada Certified Pre-Owned Vehicle Program. Check out the features and benefits of that program when you come in to drive the car. Going across the front of the car, it's done up in a beautiful royal blue color. Picture of the driver's side with those gorgeous alloy wheels. And going down the car, on the driver's door we have a sticker that says SiriusXM is on, which indicates that the car comes with a 3-month trial subscription of SiriusXM radio for your enjoyment. Inside we have power windows, locks, and mirrors. The driver's seat has a 2-position memory. Down here we have rear cross traffic alert, heated steering wheel, and traction control. This little Forte only has 18,200 kilometers. Steering wheel has cruise and audio controls, as well as Bluetooth and other functions for the car. Inside the car, SiriusXM on the radio. We have a rear backup camera. We have a dual climate control, auxiliary and USB input ports, as well as a couple of charging ports. And down here we have buttons for the heated front seats for driver and passenger, and a driver mode control. Climbing out of the car, we take a look at that gorgeous sunroof up there, those leather seating surfaces, and the power seat for the driver. On the floor we have controls for the trunk and for the gas filler cap door. In the back, plenty of room. Again, leather seating surfaces. One more feature that's really nice for the back passengers is those seats are heated, both sides. In the trunk, lots of room in the trunk, carrying luggage, groceries, outdoor gear, sports equipment, whatever you need to carry. Show that EX badge. This gorgeous little 2017 Kia Forte EX Luxury is available from West Coast Kia. We're open 9 to 9 Monday through Thursday, 9 to 6 Friday, Saturday, and 11 to 5 Sundays and most holidays. We're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge. Come and see us. Take the little Kia out for a drive. Bring the family along. See how well the Kia fits your family, and see how well your family fits the Kia. Again, that's West Coast Kia. About 20 minutes from anywhere in the Lower Mainland, and we're in Maple Ridge, just over the bridge.